Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to paint these Christmas illustrations. They can be used for cards, for interior art, for gift tags, or you can paint them together with your kids or dear friends. There will also be a bonus at the end of this video where I will show you how to fix a paint smudge, because I did it while painting these illustrations and now I can show you how to fix it. Also, I will test new watercolor paper and new brushes, so maybe in a couple of weeks I will make a new video telling you what I liked and didn't like about them. And now take your favorite tutorial drink or brushes if you're ready and let's paint. Before painting watercolor, I always erase the pencil lines with my needle eraser. I will start painting the upper box first, as it will be more convenient for me to move from the top to the bottom. For the first box I decided to use my pearly green color, Fuchsite Genuine by Daniel Smith. It's a soft, subtle color with a luminous shimmer. Sounds just perfect for the Christmas illustration. I will paint the second box in the same way. First I wet the paper and then I add color. This time we will use a mix of indigo, ultramarine blue and a pinch of orange to dim the brightness just a little. For the last box I will use a mix of opera rose, light yellow ochre and lemon yellow dip. Again, wet the paper before painting with watercolor. It will allow the paint to spread evenly on the paper. Now let's paint a sleigh. I will use permanent brown, burnt umber and violet. And don't forget to swatch your mixes on a piece of paper before adding them to your illustration. It will help you to create the best color. Again, I will wet the paper before painting with watercolor. Make sure your hand, including your elbow, lays steady on the table and do not float in the air like mine. It will allow you to paint straight lines. While the first illustration is drying, we can paint the second one. I will use the same color palette. To paint the first star, I will create the same light pink color mixture I used for the pin box. Again, I will wet the star drawing before painting it with watercolor. When you wet the paper before, it prolongs the time of the paint drying. In this way, I will not have harsh dry lines in my painting. I'm searching for the best position to start painting. In my case, it happens because my paper is stretched to the table. If I stretch it to the drawing board, then I could move it. So I strongly recommend you to stretch your paper to any board or simply paint on a watercolor block. Then it will be much more convenient for you to paint. While painting the third star, of course, I smudged the darkest color in this painting, the dark indigo mix. So now I have a great opportunity to show you how to fix it. If you are interested, then watch this video till the end and you will know the trick. Okay, now we can add ribbons and some decorations to the boxes to make them look really festive. Here just be creative and let your imagination flow. I painted the first stripe on the box and it looks like it's not 100% dry. It's better to return to this box when it's completely dry. Now let's make the stars more real by adding some volume to them. I will add Quinacridone Rose by Daniel Smith to my pink color mix. It is a darker color and it's more cold. I simply adore this color. I'm a watercolor botanical artist and this is one of my favorite red shades to paint flowers. Now, when the pink box is completely dry, we can add stripes to it. White color will look great on a dark indigo box, so I'm using Kuretake white pen brush. You can use any white medium you have, it just doesn't matter. I think that small Christmas branches on the top will make this illustration look more finished. Paint simple pine tree branches and some red berries. Now we want to add some shadows to the sleigh. Add a little bit of indigo to your brown mixture and you will have a mix to paint shadows. Now I take a clean brush and slightly soften the edges. The two stars are dry and now we can finish them. I added ultramarine blue to my pearly green mixture to paint darker tones. You can leave stars as they look now, or you can add white dots to it. I take my sketches I made before filming this video and try white dots on the sketches first. If I like how it looks, then I will add them to my illustrations. Yes, definitely, I love this idea and I will start adding dots now. Okay guys, now I will tell you how to fix the paint smudge. Take a wet brush and try to push the color from the paper. Do it as long as it's needed. Blot this area with a clean dry paper towel. Then take a utility knife and gently remove the upper layer of the paper. Be very careful while doing it. I used a needle razor at the end just to polish the paper surface. Then paint this area with the needed color.